Ooh, I found $2.
Did you actually?
Woo!
What year?
I don't know, some nasty dollars.
Hang on. Oh, they wiped their period blood with that shit.
Oh.
Wait, what year? 2013. Oh,
That
that's
could be shit.
No, that's poop. Wait, let me see it.
That could be shit.
That's poop.
No, it doesn't smell like shit.
It's a poop dollar.
It might have been, but I don't think so.
Oh.
My fingers don't smell like shit, so I don't think it was a poop dollar. Fuck, I just fucking touched a shit dollar. Someone had to wipe their ass up here. Did it with $2. I love when we don't have to hop a barbed wire fence. Looks like these are pre-made, like there's like drums. Yo, come check this out. Dude, look, Dardon. Come look how big this place is. You just have to stay on a, like a support beam.
Look at the roof.
Yep. If you guys want to get up right here,
Yeah, it's a little wet.
see if it looks nasty. If you want, step to your left on that. Like climb up to your left, Ardon. That's way better.
Shitty. Stinky pinky.
Oh, it's nasty.
Very nasty.
Did you go up to the bridge? Mike? I think he went up to the bridge. You on the bridge? Dude, you get up to the bridge from right here. Not there, Dardon. The stairs. These stairs take you up. What kind of machine is this? Look at all the brick in there. Hello? He said hello? That was Brian.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What was it? I don't know, but I'm looking at this like, oh, this is cool. It fell. This is a fallen piece of cement from there. So
Right
watch
now?
out. Like, hey, right above you, see how the cement's like this?
Yeah.
Laying there?
Dude, look at that cement right above you.
Yeah, just watch.
That's barely hanging on. That could drop at any moment. You slam the door, Brian slams that door and tops down.
Yeah, I highly doubt someone went up there and started smacking them. I think these things are falling.
Nothing, it's just, you'll see if you come up here. Sketchy.
Oh man.
I'm just gonna jump onto that.
Trying to do it.
Um,
Make sure it can support us.
it should.
I got you. Don't worry.
I was gonna, here, I'll jump from here. I don't want to jump sideways.
Right on that. Nice.
Hey, that looks sketch. That cement, bro, that would fall.
Yeah,
That would literally crush you.
I didn't realize that also. You said it, and I was like, oh, great.
Well, I didn't notice it until I was looking at it. I'm like, oh, this is cool. I wish I could have this. I'm like, wait a minute.
What is?
Floor.
Like, look at there's some right there on the floor too.
Look right there. This is a huge fucking.
It's like,
Oh, that's smashing you.
Oh, it's... Yeah, I don't know. It might not kill you. How heavy is it? It's heavy?
Fucking.
You're dead. You're dead, bro.
Building. Were you guys following that?
Sketchy. Be careful. What?
Can we stand back?
No, we don't make a loud noise. Oh, it'll slam. I got it. I got it. Dude, this is insane if we walk this. Sketch. Like they powered it from over here. Oh, of course it gets windy. Of course it gets windy when we come out. This is cool. I kind of want to walk. I want to go all the way over there. It doesn't lead to anything? Have you walked this before?
Yeah.
This leads to a dead. I'm going to walk just to that end of this building, but yeah, I'm going to come tomorrow. This is sick. This is super cool. Oh, Brian. I might be down. I don't know if I want to go on that roof though. That roof was fucked. That's the roof that everything was knocked down on. So I mean, if you can climb it and look, but I don't know if I'm gonna climb it and go up there. Cause it was collapsing. So if it's gonna collapse over nothing, it'll collapse over us. Holy shit. Yo! I wanna be careful, Brian. This doesn't even... This is fine, actually. This feels fine. Dude, this is cool. Start on. Does this look like it goes anywhere? Is there anything like another way down, maybe? Yeah. Every step you take, like shit's coming up. Dust particulates. That was pretty scary.
Talk to those dudes.
Yeah, they're cool. They're like kids. They're young. The one came up, he was like, it doesn't go anywhere. And I was like, oh, I'll be the judge of that. There's also a ladder up to the roof. So sketchy. Yeah. Start your engines. If you want to get up there, dude, you just gotta climb it the old-fashioned way. Just way up this wall. Just climb right up this fucking wall right here. It's fucking right up the wall, bro.
Oh, this would be good right here.
Just zombies are chasing you right now. How you getting up there?
There's glass on that window where it's be careful.
Oh, fuck, everything's weird.
Come right here. I see a perfect way up right here. Climb up right through here. Put your hands up there, and you can squeeze right in there. Was it tough?
No, it's a little awkward.
It's all right. You don't have to come up. Hands are nasty. It's tough. It's nasty, bro. It's nasty.
Smells like fire up in here, doesn't it?
I smelt that over there too, yes.
It's probably some scrappers, dude. Oh, look at this fucking wrench.
Chemical
I know,
fire?
looking at it.
fucking scrap or stole.
Hey, let's go that way. Whoa. This place is terrifyingly dark.
Go all the way down.
Look at all the way down, like you can see like the light at the end.
No, look at my phone.
Oh, your phone picks up good quality.
Oh,
This is a big building.
Fuck it, let's go down there. I want to see what they're drinking. Memory.
You go down there, I'm down.
Yeah?
Yeah, do it.
There's really not.
Bro, look at this dust, holy shit.
I mean, we could walk over there. It's just the other end of the factory.
No, I'm not, I was just looking that way. I'm down to go that way. Look at this dust though, this is fucked. No, yeah.
Let me see.
Some parts of Gary are definitely worse.
Shit, we can get in right there. Why don't we cross? Let's go.
This building we were just in. See, that's where we were up. We were up on that. See the railing?
Yeah.
That goes across the whole thing. It's like a good 5 feet wide, maybe. This looks pretty cool in here. I like the green. All these places have been green. Yep. What's in there? Old machine shop.
Yeah.
There's a way in, looks like that doorway up there. What about this? Is that door, does that open?
No, it's sealed off.
Damn. There's a latch.
That other building we didn't go to. Those ones.
I'm down. We could walk out here to the right, turn right.
Be careful because we might be wind up by the front.
Yeah, we'll have to watch.
I don't know exactly.
The front, I think, is behind us. Like the way we're walking around is the opposite of the front, right?
I don't know. I have no idea. I want to turn around. I think if we
I'm
go
not.
that
Well,
way-
no. This is way. That way is the fence. That way is the fence.
Yeah, we need to go back this way.
We can, I don't know if we go that way. That way's gonna be blocked right here. This building.
I don't think so, is it?
Yeah, maybe we just walk through that that pathway. So there's nothing. No, I know where we are. We just gotta go. We were just up there. So go this way.
We'll go this way.
Yeah, we'll turn right and then we'll be back in that little courtyard. We can even go. Look at there's a door right there. We go
I
right.
don't know where it goes.
I don't want to go in there though. That was where we just came from.
Dude, jump off and then take a picture of you jumping. Pretty sick.